Welcome back to Soai. So it is so funny that I spoke about customer service in my last video. If you never saw that one, go check it out. But literally down the road, there is another Jamaican restaurant. So I'm at this place called JFC. What do you think that means? JFC. Yeah, you guessed it. It is Jamaican Fried Chicken. Now, you guys know I'm checking out 100 Jamaican/Caribbean inspired restaurants here in New York. And restaurants keep popping up. They come and they also go. This is a very new one. They had their grand opening maybe a couple days ago. I was told to come and check this spot out. So I said, why not? Now, we know Jamaica's national dish is ackee and saltfish, but over the years, with food, I would say most Jamaicans consume a lot more fried chicken and rice and peas with curry goat gravy than they actually do the national dish, which is kind of strange. And that's why for me, I call it our secondary national dish. So I'm interested to try the fried chicken there. The previous video, I wanted to try fried chicken, but I was like, yeah, I'm already tried fried chicken here. Let me try this one and see if there's anything special about it. And I can safely say that around at least 50% of Jamaicans will say KFC in Jamaica is what we consider like the pinnacle of what a fried chicken should be, especially the spicy. So I'm very interested to try this one to see if it's just a good fried chicken or if there's anything special on it, and check out their menu. All right, so I'm gonna go inside first, scout out the place and see what it's like. From the outside, I could tell it's very bright, well lit, and we're gonna grab something from them. So hear this, I finally got a helmet. Yes, after everyone in the comments roasted me into safety. And while I do feel like a superhero on wheels now, I still ride like I'm dodging banana peels carting around New York. Because let's be real, biking around New York City is not for the faint of heart. Negligent drivers are practically a local species. It happened to my neighbor actually. He got clipped by a car and all he said was,
"Yeah, I just tossed my scooter in the closet and took the out."
Why? He didn't have the money to go after the driver. And that's where Morgan & Morgan comes in. When insurance companies hit you with the
"Here's $50 and a pack of gum"
type of settlement, Morgan & Morgan is for the people. And the best part, you don't pay unless they win. They are the biggest injury law firm across the United States with over 1,000 attorneys in all 50 states. Oh, and just in case if you're wondering if they're legit, they recently won $12 million in Florida. That's 34 times the top insurance offer, and 26 million in Philly. That's 40 times the top insurance offer. So yeah, they don't play. If you ever get seriously injured, your case could be worth millions. And you're only a few clicks away from changing your life. It's really easy. You can start your claim now with Morgan & Morgan with my special link, which is www.forthepeople.com/soy. Found in my description box or by scanning the code that you can find on the screen using your cell phone. All right, so I'm in here now, and you know you're in a Jamaican spot. The black, the green, the gold is here. Has pretty interesting decorations. Like on the floor, there is like this black splatter art. And I would say it kind of feels a little bit unfinished, but then again, this is a new business, and I know starting up a restaurant is pretty expensive. I'm gonna actually take you guys sometime this week to a spot where it costs about $20,000 just to have a pop-up spot there. So New York is pretty expensive. Don't judge too quickly, give everyone a chance. Now, the branding that's on the TVs up there is pretty cool. I like it. It feels like it's like a KFC, but a Jamaican version of it. Unfortunately, I don't think that they're gonna give you in that white and green box. I would really love if that was the case. What am I gonna order? I'm going to get a 2-piece with fries and drinks like you would get in a KFC. And I'll tell you guys what I think. Hands down, I'm willing to bet on it that their fried chicken is gonna be better than the KFC that's here. All right, let's put in our order and let's try some food. All right, so we got our food. Customer service was good. Good customer service. It's a new business, so the wait time was It's pretty long. I probably was waiting for maybe about 20 minutes. And I mentioned that because I want to order another food. So Mo was the one that told me about this spot. So I'm like, yo, would you like me to grab something for you? Now I'm a little bit concerned having to go back there and order that. But hey, growing pains of a new business. And you know, I really wanted to call this place Jamaica Fried Chicken Factory. But hey, they said that over time, you know, it's a new space, they're kind of warming up to it, figuring out stuff. So if you guys decide to stop by, do bear that in mind. But it's getting support, and that's so funny about New York, because the place just opened. There's so many fried chicken spots or places you can get Jamaican food, and people still come out and support the new business. So that's pretty cool. So I came outside laughing because he gave me a special sauce. He's just like, I want you to try the sauce. I'm like, what's the name of the sauce? The man said the sauce name, Badness. Yo, that's definitely a Jamaican spot. I spent somewhere around, let's say $16, $17. It comes with the fried chicken, the fries, and a canned soda. So the name of the sauce is so interesting. I want to try that before I try anything else. I've never seen a Jamaican sauce that looks like this. Kind of looks like a mambo sauce in a little way. It's very rare I can't tell what's in the food. So there's clearly pepper. It's spicy. What is this? It's unique to say the least. I've never tasted a sauce like this, so I'm gonna try it on the chicken. I'll tell you guys what I think about it. I don't know if you guys will be able to know exactly what it is, but hey. And when I order the other meal, I'm going to, if I remember, I'll ask. Okay, so here we have our fried chicken. Smells pretty good, looks pretty good, and the fries usually is a make or break for chicken with French fries, because it is a part of the meal that makes fried chicken and French fries pretty special. And the looks of it, it looks like the type that I usually like. So I'm just gonna dig right in. Yeah, this fried chicken, it looks the part. It looks nice and crispy. I see some nice little of those black, probably black pepper flecks. Looks really good. Nice. Let's try.
Seems like that chicken is busted.
It's pretty good. I love New York. People always say, like, why are you not in Jamaica? I'm like, I am in Jamaica. This is just like a bigger version of it. So you can see here the chicken it's nice and tender. The inside is crispy and nice. The seasonings are actually good. It tastes almost like a cook shop fried chicken, but a little bit more elevated, not overly salty. And like I said, I could bet that it would taste better than KFC here. I'm not talking about the KFC in Jamaica, I'm talking about KFC here. And this one, it definitely does. But the mambo sauce, I appreciate this. Most restaurants have like their signature thing. So even though everybody is doing fried chicken is not reinventing the wheel. But it's good to see a company try something outside of the box just to have a little bit more of a uniqueness to their thing. And the color on this, it's nice, lightly orange, and it's unique. I actually like that. By itself, I was like, But on the chicken, ooh, I can't explain that. Ooh. The skin on this, if I can catch this, I am worthy. If I don't, I'm absolutely glad I caught that because that crisp was good. This is a really good fried chicken. Should try this with mambo sauce too. Got that mambo. I keep calling it mambo sauce. It's not mambo sauce, it's badness. You hear that? Yeah, that sauce, yeah? Just one day, on the side of the road and do this. So I look around. But yeah, the sauce is not gimmicky. You're either gonna really love it or you could pass on it. But for me, I love the fact that it kind of ties into what they're doing and gives a little bit of more of a unique, appeal to the food. Soai vlogs. Yeah. Bless up. Come on. No joke. Fried chicken really have a vibe. Oh, the French fries. The French fries taste almost like I don't want to call no other company's name while I'm on their video, but Popeyes. It tastes they kind of like Popeyes. It almost tastes like a double fried French fry, so it's good. I'm really glad they never did the those cheap fries. I think the fries from KFC are just like, I don't like it. The worst. But this one, you enjoy your food? This, what? Bad. Respect. Yeah man, so this one, I like it. If you're ever on White Plains, don't sleep on it. Good man. You know that the chicken's good when you eat all the heel back. So you know it's fried, Papa? Yes, Papa? All right. I need to go grab the other plate from her really quick. And if I get any feedback from her, I will drop it somewhere on the video. She asked for, I think, the box food version, which is the fried chicken and rice and peas. So, all right, let's head back. Ja. Come on, almost forget. My soda. I did make a comment that I wish I had the branded boxes that would give that nice little feel that they are Jamaican Fried Chicken, but they did say that because they're new, they're gonna get those boxes sometime pretty soon. I think they're gonna be in yellow and not white and green, but we'll see. You know, and people are in here showing out, which is good. All right, guys, so I just put my order in just outside chilling for a little bit. I think everything came up to, well, that order came up to around like $14 and some cents. Let's call it 15 bucks. And yeah, there's gonna be a little bit of a wait. Customer service, like I said before, is pretty good, but this is a new business, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out eventually. I'll tell people, when you watch my videos, it's my experience on that day. I don't know how tomorrow is gonna be. But yeah, enough of that. I'm gonna wait for this food and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Remember 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.
Put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all.